Waterspout, South Florida sea tornado. On a stormy afternoon, as dark clouds churn above the horizon, the air seems alive with energy. Over the ocean, a slender, spiraling funnel dips down from the turbulent skies, drawing water into its vortex, is a waterspout. Over land, a twisting column of wind suddenly descends from the clouds to the ground, is a tornado. Though they may seem like distant cousins, waterspouts and tornadoes share a common origin and many traits, yet their differences are shaped by the landscapes they call home. Both waterspouts and tornadoes are intense, rotating columns of air that form under towering cumulonimbus clouds, usually during storms. They owe their existence to the interplay of warm, moist air rising and cooler air sinking, creating instability. As wind currents at different altitudes blow in varying directions or speeds, a phenomenon known as wind shear. This motion can create a spinning effect. If conditions are just right, this horizontal rotation is tilted upright by the storm's powerful updrafts, forming the familiar funnel shape. Waterspouts are more common over water, especially warm, tropical waters like those off the coast of South Florida. They come in as fair weather waterspouts and tornadic waterspouts. Fair weather waterspouts develop in calmer conditions, without the need for thunderstorms, forming from the surface upward as warm air rises and begins to spin. These are generally weaker and more ephemeral, lasting only minutes. Tornadic waterspouts, by contrast, share the same violent origins as tornadoes but form over water instead of land, often under severe storms. If a waterspout moves onto land, it can transform into a tornado, adopting its destructive nature. Similarly, a tornado passing over water may take on the appearance of a waterspout but retains its tornado classification. As the sun rises over South Florida's Atlantic coast, a mixture of tropical heat and humidity begins to churn the air above the ocean. Waterspouts, nature's mesmerizing sea tornadoes, often form in this unique environment,